Hello students, we are continuing with exercise 13.1. Now we shall discuss question number 5. Now question number 5 says there is a cuboid and there is a cube. So the cube has a side of 10 centimeter. So this is the cube, suppose, and dimensions, length is 10, breadth is 10, height is also 10 because it's a cube, right? All sides are equal. And there is a cuboid also. So somewhere here, let's take a cuboid, and this cuboid has a length of 12.5. So 12.5 cm is a length, breadth of 10 and height of 8. The question has two parts. The first one, they are asking which one has greater lateral surface area and by how much. So first of all, I will find the CSA or lateral curved surface area or lateral surface area, CSA of the cube. So formula is 4L square. So 4 into 10 square, that will give you 4 into 10 square, that means that will give you 400 centimeter square. Then I will find CSA of the cuboid. CSA of the cuboid, formula is the front and the back will give you 2 DH plus 2 LH from the side. So if you put the values and calculate, you will find that this is basically 360 centimeter square. So which one has more lateral surface area? The cube. So the cube has more lateral surface area than the cuboid by 400 minus 360, that means 40 centimeter square. Done? Very easy. Now for the same question, the second part, now they are asking which one has less total surface area. Less total surface area. So first of all, I will find a total surface area of the cube. So TSA of the cube, that means 6L square. Now formula, total surface area. So 6 into 10 square, 10 square is 100. So that will be 600 cm square, centimeter square. And then I will find TSA of the cuboid. So formula is obviously 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. You can put all these values and you can calculate. You will get 610 centimeter square. So which one is less TSA? Again, the cube has less TSA than the cuboid by 10 centimeter square, isn't it? 610 minus 600 is 10 centimeter square. So that is question number 5. Now let's go to question number 6. Alright, now in question number 6, they are discussing about a herbarium cuboidal in shape. So made of glass. So this is the herbarium, suppose cuboidal in shape, and this is made of glass. Okay. So length of the cuboid is 30, breadth is 25 and height is again 25. Okay. So you have to find the TSA of the herbarium or the cuboid. So TSA, obviously we know the formula, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So I'll put all the values and calculate. Obviously I'll get 4250 centimeter square. This part you can do. Now the question is another part. All the edges of the herbarium are actually connected by glass tape. So there is tape over here, here along all the edges, right? Like this, in all the edges. Now how many edges are there in total? How many lengths are there, how many breadths are there, and how many heights are there? That you have to understand. So basically there are 4 lengths, front and back, front or duta, back or duta. There are 4 breadths also, front, side or division, and heights also. So length of the tape, there are 4 lengths, 4 breadths and 4 heights. Okay. So if you are not understanding, let me try to explain here. This is a length, this is a length, this is a length, this is a length. So this red color, these are all lengths. Okay, now which are the breadths then? The green colored one, these are the breadths, breadth, 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 4 breadths. And which are the heights? The blue color, height, 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 and another height over here. Okay, so 4 lengths, 4 breadth, 4 height, so I can take 4 common, 4 into L plus B plus 8, so you can put the values and you can calculate and you will get 320 centimeter. Because it is length, this would be cm, not centimeter square. Alright, so that is question number 6. Now let's go to question number 7. Now question number 7 says there are 2 kinds of boxes, sweet boxes. So one larger size, so both of them are cuboidal, but one is of larger size, and this packet has a length of 25, breadth of 20 and height of 5, and there is a smaller box. This is also cuboidal but size is smaller, and this box is length 15, breadth 12 and height 5. Okay, so now what will be the TSA of this box, larger box? So TSA of this box is obviously 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. All the measurements are given. You can calculate this one and you will get 1450 centimeter square. Similarly, for this box also you can find a TSA. Please calculate and you will get 630 centimeter square. So what is my total TSA then of both the boxes? So I'll add, so 1450 plus 630, this will give you 2080 centimeter square. Done. Now they are saying there are 250 boxes of each kind, right? So for 250 boxes, my TSA will be, obviously I have to multiply, so 250 into 2080, so that will give you 520000 cm square. So this is my total area of all the boxes. Now you have to find the overlap. So they in the question they are saying there is a 5% overlap, this extra that is required to make the boxes. So let's calculate the extra over here. So 5% overlap, 5% overlap or extra, obviously I have to take 5% total, that is 520000. So this will give us 5 by 100 into 520000. So that will give us 26000 centimeter square. So this is what? This is extra. So now total amount of cardboard that will be required is this 520000 from the boxes plus this 26,000 rather from the extra. So this will give us total 546,000 cm square. Alright, so now you have to find the cost. So they are saying in the question 1000 centimeter square cost rupees 4. So 1 centimeter square will cost you rupees 4 by 1000, of course. So 546,000 centimeter square will cost you rupees 4 by 1000 into 546,000. So that will give you rupees 2184. So this is the final cost of preparing the sweet boxes. Alright, so this question is also very important. Now let's go to question number 8. Now in question number 8, they are talking about a car cover, cuboidal in shape. So this is the car cover, cuboidal in shape, length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter and height is 2.5 meter. Obviously if it is a car cover, the base is not required, so this base is excluded. So you have to find the total area. So the total area will be what? The two sides, front and back, plus the top. So that will give you 2 BH plus 2LH plus the top will give you LB, bottom is excluded. So 2 into 3 into 2.5 plus 2 into 4 into 2.5 plus 4 into 3. You can calculate this one and your final answer will be 47 meter square. Very simple. Only thing that you have to understand is the base is excluded, and that's why the formula become like this. Alright, so that's the end of 13.1. In the next video I shall be discussing 13.2.